Hello everyone, we come to know about sustainable architecture. Sustainable development is a development that responds to current needs without affecting the ability to meet future needs. At present, the architecture industry is more interested in the environment, therefore has been integrated into the architecture. This is an architecture that considers equality, environment and design with emphasis on sustainability of nature. With the goal of designing that has the least impact on the environment as well as creating a pleasant environment that is good for the health of the society. In which the architecture design creates balance in three areas, which are environment, economy and society, resulting in the concept of sustainable architecture. Sustainable architecture. Ecological concern is respect for the location preserving the land and vegetation. Climate concern is be careful of local weather conditions, not creating air pollution. Energy efficiency is energy saving using renewable energy. User concern is taking into account the comfort of user of the building, free from noise and scenery pollution. Material efficiency is use material efficiently, recycle material. Do not use materials that are toxic to residents. Water efficiency is use water efficiently, not create water pollution. Can identify the principles that contribute to sustainable architecture in two ways. Nature-driven technology is a dependency on nature for direct and indirect use by using mechanical technology to a minimum, emphasizing the dependency on the natural environment as much as possible. Technology-driven strategy is the application of technology to benefit and the highest efficiency by adapting to suit to save energy. Nature-driven technology can be divided into various issues: sun protection and use of white currents by relying on tree shading and the arrangement of the environment to control the wind direction. Use of natural light to reduce the use of electrical energy. Use of insulation to prevent heat transfer into the building, both the wall and the roof. Use of available energy such as wind energy, solar energy to convert into electrical energy. Circulating use of natural resources, such as collecting rainwater for watering plants, cleaning house. Bringing natural water to help purify the air inside the building, and the use of tea to filter dust and absorb carbon dioxide in the daytime. Technology-driven strategy can be divided into various issues: location selection for utility benefits, as well as reducing energy waste in traveling and contacting. Appropriate lighting control for buildings by relying on human and mechanical equipment. Use of other equipment that does not have to rely on natural materials such as quality synthetic material. Heating and cooling in the building by bringing energy from the environment to use. Reducing environmental problems by using new resources. Help reduce energy use in storage and destruction. For environmental design can be divided into 5 main topics, which are building ecology modification and selection of material without side effects, including both natural and mechanical ventilation systems, can be designed to allow the circulation of fresh air. into the building as much as possible and to minimize conditions that cause more or musty odors. Energy efficiency is the design of building to utilize natural energy. Reduce energy production burden and also conserve energy for use when needed, such as using the thermal mass of the building to store or ventilate heat. The use of insulation systems suitable for use using electrical control system or cooling system. Materials. Some construction materials may adversely affect the environment. Some types of wood are obtained from logging in forests that cannot be planted as a substitute. Some materials are obtained by processes that create pollution or generate toxins in the process of processing. Therefore, should use material produced from renewable resources, environmentally safe in the production process, with the least impact on life. Building form is the building shape. Should be taken into consideration the surrounding environment, whether it land, trees, or the surrounding weather to facilitate the circulation of resources and material. Reduce the use of resources and energy in building, increase livelihood for user and staff. Good design is good design must take into account the consequences such as permanent buildings. Easy to use, can recycle all materials along with being beautiful. There is less need for energy, maintenance, and use of quality material. Respond to the concept of sustainable architecture. In the long run, sustainable design to reduce the destruction and use of natural resources as much as possible, as well as creating good examples in order to raise awareness of environmental consideration for society.